Hello, this is a demonstration to show you how to using our two-way speakers switch selector box to select your input to the two pair of speaker. See, the first one you need to connect your audio source in here, and to connect the output one to one speaker here, and then the other for the output 2 I connect to this speaker. And okay, the first one, let's start your music, and at the first time we turn off the output for speaker 1 and speaker 2, and right now audio play. Okay, then for example, right now I want to drive this speaker, then we can just turn on the speaker 1 on, and off when I want to play the speaker 2 on, and then off. How about if I want to play both speakers to turn on to listen to music? See? Okay, this one, this two, this 1 and 2. Easy. 1 off, 2 off. That's it. Thank you.